Hi guys, welcome again to Roost Vans. With this new build that we have, it is a 2024 mid-roof on this beautiful sunny Tuesday morning. And we did a core build with a floor from DIY Vans, and we did some trim work on that floor after putting in a lower mounting system, our upper rail system, an optional second row of ceiling lights with a custom location for our switch panel. And there's quite a few little custom things actually. We did a full panel over on the rear section of the van, of course the vent fan, and a panel over on the mid-wall area. We did bamboo treatment for the lower walls, bamboo treatment for the mid, and as well as bamboo treatment for the upper ceiling. Another thing that we did was a simple dinette cabinet setup. And in this dinette cabinet, we have quite a few opportunities for storage. Over the wheel well cabinetry that makes up a 2-cot sleeping system for a dinette, as well as a couple of doors with deep storage inside. And then on this side here, we have a Goal Zero 1500 that charges off of the engine as well as solar if installed, and shore power. We went ahead and ran a refrigerator line, anticipating installing some cabinetry here on phase 2, as well as some cabinetry up above when they come back for phase 2. Another great feature of this van is the dinette, where you have a full size articulating table, as well as some easy access doors that you can get to on the rear of the van into that deep storage. Now these lower cabinets are full custom, which is a little atypical of what we do at Roost, but in this case, knowing that it was going to be a full build and this was just a first phase, we wanted to set them up for success. That way, customer can have two 20-inch wide sleeping platforms and then take advantage of the table as a nightstand while they sleep. Check us out at roostvans.com and see how we can help you out.